today's video, I will be unboxing my new salad spinner and making a salad for dinner.
If you're a returning viewer, thank you for your support. If you're new here and you love food-related content, you're in the right place. Please like, share, and subscribe.
I have been wanting to get one for a while. My sister introduced me to the salad spinner. She has one, and she's also purchased one for our mom, and they use it faithfully. And so I wanted to give it a try because my husband does not like to have water in the bottom of his salad bowl when he's eating his salad, nor do I. So my sister told me that this would be a great gadget to have in the kitchen. So I went ahead and picked one up. Let's get it unboxed. Top. That's the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on it. Let's see how it works. So I'm gonna give it a test. Look like it's pretty easy to use. And I guess that's the stopper. Yes, that is what that is.
After unboxing, I am so excited to give this a try. I'm going to get everything set out on the counter and put this salad spinner into action to see how it really works.
There are days when I come home from work and it's just been a long day and we don't have any leftovers in the refrigerator to pull out. So I make my husband a love salad. I call it a love salad because it's just not any old salad. It's a salad truly made with love. And to be able to just get a break away from the pot every now and again is great. And my husband is really cool, you guys. He does not require that I cook a hot and fresh meal every day. He will eat leftovers, but he will not eat leftovers over and over and over again. There are times when I prepare enough for a few days, and to break it up so we're not eating the same thing consecutively for days, I'll throw in a love salad. He's usually pleased with that because I put things that he likes in it, and I make it with love. So that's why I call it a love salad. It's hearty and it's filling as if I had prepared a full course meal. I'll get right into it and let you know the items that I will be using to compose the love salad. In addition to using the salad spinner, the items that I will be using to compose the love salad are romaine lettuce, banana peppers, cucumber, avocado, tomato, rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, shredded cheese, dried cranberries, French fried onions, and walnuts. And to top the salad is salad dressing, of course. My husband likes the ranch, and I like Italian, and then I like to top it with the twisted ranch. It is really, really good. So I'm going to get everything over to the sink, get it washed, prep, come back and put it all together. I have washed all of the vegetables and chopped everything up that I am going to use to make the love salad. An additional ingredient here that was not here in the introductory of the ingredients are bacon. I had some leftover bacon, so I just chopped that up. This is the base. There is no water in this bowl. I'm going to take the colander that came with the salad spinner. I'm going to place that in the base. Okay. And I'm going to pour the lettuce in, place the top on the salad spinner. And I am going to give it a spin. Let's see how this works. You can see the water already hitting the sides of the inside of the salad spinner. I'm going to go ahead and put the brakes on it, stop it. Remove the top. And as you see, this salad spinner kind of pushes the lettuce off to the sides, away from the center. So I'm going to let that out. Wow. Look at the water that accumulated in the bottom. That's really good. No more water in the bottom of the salad bowl. I'm going to put this off to the side. Now I am ready to put this together. My hands have already been washed, so I'm just going to put everything together with my hands. We'll start with the lettuce. To the lettuce, I add the tomatoes. Next are the cucumbers, chicken, avocado, cranberries, walnuts, French fried onions, banana peppers, bacon, and cheese. And this, you guys, is the love salad. I'm gonna now call my husband in to the kitchen so that he can have his dinner.
He's hungry and he is wasting no time digging into this salad. As he's finishing up, I've prepared one for myself, and I'm going to get ready to enjoy my dinner as well. As you see here, I am topping my salad with the creamy Italian dressing that I told you about earlier. And to that, I am going to add the twisted garlic ranch. That concludes today's video.
If you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed the love salad, like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.